Pinkalicious, huh?
Not Pinkalicious. Make way for Swirl World Girl.
An urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Portage County in northeastern Ohio, southeastern Medina County in northeastern Ohio, Summit County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Barberton or 7 miles southwest of Akron, moving northeast at 75 miles per hour.
Okay.
Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Akron, Ravenna, Cuyahoga Falls, Kent, Barberton, Greene, Hudson, Wadsworth, Talmadge, Streetsboro, Mogador, Doylestown, Garrettsville, Manaway, Stowe, Aurora, New Franklin, Norton, Brimfield, and Fairlawn. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Medina